I didn't have much programming experience, so I just ran up the stairs also too, so I'm out of breath. But yeah, 6 months ago, I've been in the running event industry for a while, like marathons, right? I throw a couple of marathons in the San Diego market. At all these running events, they have wireless chips on all the runners. They're RFID chips. It's like the same kind of chips that might open up your key card at work, the door or whatever. But all these runners have RFID chips in the back of their bibs. So you'll have like 10,000 runners at an event. They cross the finish line, but they don't have any way to get their times, right? They want their times instantly, but they can't get them. So we kind of set up on a path to make an app to deliver, tens of thousands of runners their times instantly. So all over the country, these runners cross the finish lines. They have a wireless chip on their bib. It gets picked up by a series of antennas. There's various hardware systems, and but there's no way to get them their times in real time, right? So we figured out a way to grab the database files from those RFID systems, bring them up to our server, and then push them out to an app. Right, so we launched that about a month ago with the help of Corona and kind of the ease of use of the platform and quick development. We launched it about a month ago. We've had 10,000 downloads more or less in the last 30 days, so it's really starting to take off. Our app's not like too extensive, right? It'll show you upcoming races, for instance, or completed races. These are some of the ones we had this weekend. We have a couple more to add, but as an example, we have 4 races this weekend. We're working with Allstate this weekend, for instance. They can enter their bib number on bib 1002, pulls back their time. They can also search by name. They can view the course map. So you guys have seen Corona. It's fairly simple. Pulling in an image file. So essentially what we do is that, right? We deliver times directly to runners. These are some of the past events. Let me see if I can pull one up here. So this is we're doing a huge UI redesign, so we're gonna make everything look a little bit cleaner. But this is an example of a marathon where it pulls back all their times like directly to the runner. So as they cross the finish line, they get their times immediately. I don't want to go too far into the app again. I think some of you guys are building games, stuff like that. It's probably isn't as exciting as some of the things you guys are doing. But I think to speak on the Corona side, it's awesome, right? It's super quick development time. We were able to, started as me kind of building it by myself. I had to grab Walter earlier. I was in San Diego like 5 months ago. It kind of was in transition, but moving back to San Francisco, and I had seen there was a Corona meetup in San Diego. So I emailed the people and said, hey, I see you guys don't have a meetup for a while. Is there anybody I can talk to about my app? Right? I'm developing Corona by myself. I'm looking for some human interaction here. So I was able to link up at the Corona meetup down there. Michelle Fernandez runs it. She has a book, what I think for Corona development. And a guy, Mario Roberti, him and I have kind of become good friends. He came on to help me out on the project. Now there's a team of 10 of us working on this. So we've got about 10 developers pushing it. We've got, almost 100 races booked out in the next couple months with potential of like another 80,000 downloads. So it's definitely starting to grow. But yeah, outside of our app too much, I guess to share some of my experiences, one, I think Corona is super flexible, right? We were working on MySQL. We're waiting a little bit on some of the Corona cloud stuff. We're building in some really cool things for spectators to interact with runners via chat. We started to roll our own APIs for chats and achievements and things like that. But yeah, as a platform, I think it's awesome. Something I was highlighting was like our UI. We're pushing pretty significantly here over the next 30 days, trying to push a big update. Right. But yeah, one thing we're going to try to do, and again, I know this platform is primarily used for a gaming aspect, and there's kind of that business app style platform and what people can push the envelope on. Us specifically, we're on a mission over the next 30 days to really push the boundaries of the business app UI using Corona. And we see a lot of benefits both in the memory management aspect of Lua and some of the kind of cool, very fast, rapid development from transitions or effects. And one thing we are doing is I think in 30 days we hope to kind of provide some resources to the community, and maybe you'll see some things from us that is like a package, almost like we want to do like the widget demo almost in Corona, but put together like a cool package for everybody of like really cool transitions that you can apply to like a business app, right? Maybe like the Facebook settings thing that slides over, things like that are really cool, and push those envelopes. But yeah, sorry, I kind of got caught off guard there. But yeah, so an app, we interact with RFID, we're interacting with databases, we're rolling our own APIs for chat, we're rolling our own APIs for websites to use that want to tie in, and they can pull the results from any race listed on their website. Yeah, that's probably about it. So.